Hello. Welcome to my stream. It's n- number 91 of Late Developer Talk with Romantic Developer. Few last streams, they're really late. We starting later than 10 a.m., which is my usual time. But it's fine. During weekends, or right before weekends, normally it's, starting later. Everyone go to bed later. Yeah, so welcome. On my stream, we cover multiple topics from personal reflections about anything in this world, including politics, media, fatherhood, husbandhood, and so on. And oh, I see that my camera configuration is changed, but I think it's fine. I think you still see me. Yeah, one of my kid took camera just to make some photos of his paintings, and yeah, he changed a method of focusing, and as a result I'm not exactly in the focus as I wish, but yeah, it should be fine. Okay, I could see any comments or question if you have any. Today we'll try to make it short because yeah, I'm still couldn't recover from my cold, and it's quite a strange cold which has some symptoms, some cold and very bad feeling overall. So yeah, I try to register. Okay, I will not jump over topic and topic. So about reflections, I think I don't have any except what we've discussed before. So maybe want to repeat it once again. In part where so we used to spend a lot of our time on different things, and one of the things, and actually we even spend our energy of our body in calories when we think, and when we think about something. And today I try to notice the moments when I start to thinking about something, and I understand that I don't have all the patterns I love or approve. Let's say that. So there is a lot of to change for me, with me. Like sometimes I'm just trying to play some scene, and basically, what we talked yesterday a lot. I'm trying to imagine how it would be, or how it could be, or how it could be in the past or in the future. And then I ask question, stop. Do I really want to support that? Do I really want to invest my energy into that, to support that? Partly created my own universe with some different way of events, and say no, I don't. But I'm continue to do that as usual. So it's just a like feeling like a discovery. You just need to stop, invest your energy where you want, starting from the way you think. If you're doing some arguing which doesn't have sense for you, stop. Just put into something better, like in dreams, in maybe returning back into some events if you want, and think what lesson you have learned and how you're grateful for all the participants of those events. Or if you did something wrong, you can ask for forgiveness in your mind, and maybe those memories would be kind of cleared, And anyway, if you don't want to invest a lot of energy into something, just tell yourself, tell your subconscious, which is also a great computer, or act like a very great and sophisticated computer, some connection between us and our upper self, where we have something which probably AI will not have for a very long time, if ever, like our intuition, our experience, which could come not from our immediate events, but it's more like intuition, when you feel how to do better, feelings of love, where is love is, where is not. It's not always mathematical thing. You should feel it, because it couldn't be calculated precisely by just some reasoning which possible for artificial intelligence, and so on. Also some insights, some moment of excitement, even feelings which are not mathematical again, but your feelings, which could be not exactly predicted all the time. So all which made us humans come to our mind, let's say with that interface which is subconscious, and we also could try to program that interface, or at least we try to ask something, like we ask computer, please open some program, please switch on some music or movie, or switch off. We could ask like, hey, please don't spend our energy, mine and yours, part of me, on something, and don't waste our energy. Let's invest it to something more useful, as we understand it right now. Like maybe invest into our dreaming, maybe invest into our learnings, maybe invest into some analysis, and so on and so on. So yeah, it was my, like yesterday it was beginning of the discovery, today it was exploration of the discovery. So I still want to share it with you, because I feel that it's so important, and it's cool that I come to that important discoveries because I do those streams, so at least I have some dividends from them. Hopefully, if you are happy to hear me, you could also have the similar dividends. Yes, some gifts. And even my stream could be for someone sign of universe, like some other events I treat as science of universe for me. Now, let's try to switch here, and let's try to connect to my computer. Nice. So, and we created some, what's called, okay, let's go up, up. Maybe let's okay, looks better. We have that configuration which called generic new, and in that configuration we have LLM config, and let's open it, and we have that config here. Now I've registered my old account into OpenAI, and let's see to our dashboard, chat completions, and maybe get started. Okay, let's go back. Maybe usage, cost. We have our limit. Let's try to go to playground. We don't have any API credits again. Come on. I created it really recently. So of course there is no billing history, but also we don't have any usage history. And that account should be created just recently. Okay. Let's create some API key. Oh, we need to come some verification. So let me close the phone and finish that verification. Oh, it's already linked to some account. Let me try to go to my So while we are doing that, I'm trying to verify to verify my code before I'll share it with. It says that again. I couldn't use some phone number. Let me enable some phone number which I have as my like electronic SIM card on my computer, on my phone. SIM manager. Okay, and now I just need to know the number. Sorry for that. So let me try to send my okay, and my code is oh, I don't have so many code numbers. It says basically that thing that if because this phone number is associated with an existing account, you will not receive additional free API credits. Upgrade, continue. So yeah, let me review that usage once again. Yeah, I don't have. One second. Okay, I need another phone, and probably I have few, but I need some time to connect them. I mean, physical phone number, so Okay. So, because I've tested it with my paid transcription, the paid API key, I think it would work with your API keys as well. So don't see why not. Let me return to the stream. So because it's work with my API key, I think it should work with yours as well. So let's try to go. So we'll say something like that, your API key here. And let's see. And let's create folder. So we want to check out the thing on our computer. So this is our computer. Maybe let's go one level up. We have git checkout. So how to clone? Let's see. Because git remote at origin, cloning. Okay, git clone. Let's try except checkout, right clone. Git clone, cloning. Cool. Oh, we have YouTube AI helper. Let's go here in our projects, YouTube AI helper, and let's create new folder. It would be local AI helper. A local YouTube AI helper. It looks good. Okay. Let's open another folder. And let's go to our folder and copy all button configurations here, and in configurations we just remove test, we just remove generic, and in generic new we just rename it to have generic title, keywords, description. Okay, language. Actually, we don't use a language as of now, so we probably could remove it. LLM config. Yeah, it's our LLM config. Let's leave it as is. And prompts, description SRT, closing key points. I will submit, create, captivating. Let's say that, create sections. Okay. 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 Okay, and let's that here. So now let's remove that. Go here once again. Let's go to our LLM config and let's see exactly about limits, billing, member, generic, rate limits. Okay, because it's free, let's leave that model, correct? I use okay, I'll use some key which I'll remove soon, and I've just instead of use UIP key, let's just use it, and let's just verify it very quickly. CD YouTube AI helper, CD local YouTube helper, and what we have here, all, yes, all. Enter YouTube. Let's go to YouTube to find some video. 1 minute story, looks nice. Insert. Let's see how it will work. No, it's not the story we need. I mean, it's not the file we need. Once again, let's go here, all but. Let's go here. We have AI helper bot. Probably we need AI helper, and let's remove all because look, all like looks not recent. So AI helper, the same. Oh, no, it's not. Oh, oh, okay, yeah, it's good because it's not the URL we need. The URL we need is here. One minute moral story. Yeah, exactly. So it's go, but why it's find all these configurations? Let's review it very quickly. Maybe we remove wrong configuration. Is it possible? AI helper configurations. No, only one. So it's fine. Row title, okay. Video, okay. Config PST. You see, locally to pay helper, local configurations, just one configuration. But videos, let's review very quickly videos. Hey, for some reason it doesn't want to work as fast as we need. Golden Bridge in San Francisco. I think I was there near that place, maybe here, and it looks really great. It was some fog when I was there, but it's beautiful place. So let's go videos. Okay, for video it's working fine. It's use proper video folder, but for configurations it doesn't work fine. Let's see. Okay, count 1, config base. That is the path, basically current path. If we will look let's start new command prompt just to do clear test. Let's go to dim, cd projects, cd YouTube helper, cd local, and we have AI helper. Okay, let's insert that video page. It should be pretty fast. Okay, now it's fine. Maybe because we start that in multiple times, maybe it's some glitch. But okay, let's use it. So transcribing audio with whisper is executed on our computer locally. It should be simple, fast in that case, and without any issues. Okay, now we using some key I've just generated to test it with model GTP 3.5, which is available to execute for free. And let's see what we received here in videos. And we have titles, we have keywords, and we have description. Okay, title, as usual, and always apples. Morale of the little girl apple, patient payoff, sweet lesson, beyond appearance, the apple test. If we leave only the first part, it's much more engaging than having the full, because that reveals the story. Sweet lesson is nice. Beyond the apple test, I like the apple test. For keywords, also pretty cool lessons. Description, description is not cool. You know what? Let's try to execute it once again. Oh, are you really? Yeah, I couldn't go to terminal now. Remote desktop. Once again. Let's use the same sync once again. I just want to see if it will use all the same sync once again. Of course it will. Every time you execute LLM model, it provides slightly different results. Sometimes they are more acceptable than in other cases. Of course, if our script was too nice, we probably could ask it just to execute one of the prompt instead of download, transcribing, and all of those. Because prompt execution is much faster than all the previous steps. But let's go to title. They updated, and now they look like that. Much more icons, not only apples and stars, but rainbow. Okay, keywords. Keywords also updated, but don't think that much. And in description, description still not good. Start of the video, lesson beneath the surprise twist, etc. So it even will work. It produced everything we asked, but also it produced more than needed time stamps. Maybe we will check it change it in the future. Maybe our timestamps work better with GPT-4 than with GPT 3.5. Maybe we need to change it and test. But right now, let's complete with it, and let's go to LLM config and say here insert your API key. So with that, it should be fine. So how we could commit into the Git? Let's really ask. Hi. How to commit and Git of files in the folder. To commit, of course, we could use multiple programs like Visual Studio Code, and I use Tortoise Git, which is really very intuitive and is extension to Explorer. But just to remember that, okay, we are in local, so it's fine. We say git add dot to add all the files. Oh, we don't need to add the video story. Correct? It's just an example. Oh, git delete. Git add. Okay. git status. Okay. Okay, helper and some generic configuration. Okay, then let's say get git commit, and message would be initial commit of local development of local batch file. Oh, git config global user email. Let's go here into our git. Where's my git? So let's go to my profile. Okay. Settings, maybe. Account. It would be my primary email here. What's wrong? Okay. Global. Nice. And what we need to do as well. Okay, and username would be romantic dev. Yes. Okay, and let's try to commit once more time. And git push. Yes. Or what? How to call it? GitHub. Sign in with your browser. Authorize. Okay, confirm. Nice. Okay, we are in our project space. So if we will update here, we see our folder with our configurations, with our LLM config. Just to insert some key and with our code for AI helper, which is pretty big, but still could be pretty helpful. So now we need to add README file and some tutorial, maybe in wiki, how to set up everything locally. And yeah, we have done that part. Let's go here once again, and we have my repository, YouTube AI helper, and it's public. So we could provide maybe like that link, not that, maybe that link to all who is watching me or will watch later. Okay, so now we are we are fine. We created, and then we need to add more and more things. I'm just, yeah, in my normal account, I revoke that API key, so it couldn't be used by someone. Again, my stream right now is not hugely occupied by the people, so it should be fine. So we did what we want to do for a long time. We added it to GitHub, but also we need to add README file and everything. With that, I think we could wait until tomorrow, or maybe some other day. Maybe tomorrow. Let's see. We add all of those, and then we start planning local thing, but maybe more advanced, maybe as a Python program. We could ask ChatGPT to rewrite it as a Python and then try to make it better in Python implementation and add more options. Python already installed on our local machine, so it shouldn't be a big issue for us to execute this or Python. It's the same thing. But Python will allow us to do much more interesting implementation, again locally. And then we could switch to, maybe we could try also some, not only ChatGPT model, but maybe we could download and try maybe Llama, Meta Llama model, which is free, or some other free model, and see how it will work. I could say from experience that it will work, but not so nice as ChatGPT, but it's up to us. And then we could return to our main project where we built everything as a website which could be used by multiple users, and where we could encapsulate all that setup things, all that OpenAI keys and everything, and just provide access to some user and see how we could make it a product from that product, which again, at least for me, it's very helpful and I need to use it more. So yeah, if anyone have any questions, please drop your question into comment section after the stream. You can do it also in chat while the stream is going on. We could start with them. And so far, I wish you, as always, be calm, build very cozy and heartful environment around you, and give your love, acceptance, and warmth to your loved ones, to your family. And yeah, don't spend your energy where you shouldn't want to spend it. Ask yourself a question and try to see where you spend it by even trying to notice the things you are thinking of during the day, and see if you really want to invest your time, energy, and everything into that thoughts. Maybe you could change that thoughts to something more nicer. I don't say helpful, because thoughts, it's very hard to utilize them fully for just, I don't know, money, research, etc., etc. But some really great minds, they think about very useful things a lot, most of their time. That's how they become genius. And so some people who could achieve so many things, and even in short lifespan. I don't ask you all become genius, but at least I ask you to not to become more powerful in terms of your inner energy. Yeah. And once I recover, I'll try to write some videos about that, shorter videos. Okay, guys. See you later. I'll try to stream tomorrow at 10 p.m. PST. but who knows when I'll start, maybe hour later, maybe at exact time. But I'll try to follow my schedule, and you could join me whenever you are ready. I will be streaming at least for 152 consecutive days. So now we have only 61 consecutive days left for sure, but hopefully it would be much more. Okay, see you.